In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule community posts on your YouTube channel. So first of all, obviously you will need to be eligible for community posts on your channel, and then to schedule these is a really simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your YouTube app. Once you've opened up YouTube, as you can see, there should be a plus sign right in the middle on your bottom bar. Once you click on the plus sign, you can now click on create a post. Once you click on create a post, this could be anything you want. This can be a picture, it can be a poll, it can just be a simple text status type thing. And if you want to schedule this, all you simply need to do is click on the clock icon just underneath where it says post. Once you click on that, you can now click the scheduled date. Click on the scheduled date and select the date you want. So for this example, I will put the 30th. Click OK, and then you can now move on to the scheduled time. You can go ahead and choose whatever time you like. So I will go ahead and put 9:15 for example. Click OK. What you can do is select your time zone so you can make sure this is right for your time zone. And then once you have done that, you can click on done. And then as you can see, where it did say post, it will now say schedule. So you can go ahead, write whatever you want, add a picture, do a poll. And then once you have done that, all you simply need to do is click on the schedule button. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.